everybody. All right, Eddie, can you come here? Eddie, hey, can you say hi to Hannah? That's right, introduce yourself. Good. All right, now, please, Hannah, he's going to make our life easy. Eddie, go grab your basketballs. That's right, and bring them all the way up here for me. That's nice. Good job, Eddie. Okay. No, we didn't leave anything on the floor from Molly. Look, Eddie. All right, pay attention, buddy. Okay,